was it a business decision that introduced you to WordPress? What Rock Lobster do? What kind of services do you provide?
Yeah, I decided concentrate on new project. The new project is contactable IO.
When AI become part of WordPress, WordPress core, do you think that Contact Form 7 need to think about it, including any AI features or anything like that? You marked Contact Form 7 as feature freeze.
Yes.
If someone from the WordPress community team or community members out there in the world, they reach out to you and says that they want to partner with you for the better future of Contact Form 7 or help you with building the future of Contact Form 7, if somebody wants to reach out to you, and if is it, then how can someone contact you for that? So yesterday we had a great conversation, to be honest, and I have the conversation part of the conversation I have, but I feel like there are many questions that I could ask you. I haven't asked, or maybe my questions were kind of immature. Some of my questions was kind of immature because I don't know you personally very much, but through the conversation that we had last day, I understood many more things about you, and I thought maybe to have another round where we can discuss these things. So, uh, how's your day today till now?
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
You good? Okay. So today is Sunday. Like, how you spend your Sunday? Like, no work day. How generally you spend it?
Sunday.
Yeah.
Same as usual.
You still be working?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
How do you spend Sunday?
I generally spend Sunday. I don't work in Sunday. Maybe I read
Oh.
some stuff like some new thing is coming to WordPress or AI kind of. And sometime I go maybe watch a movie.
Movie.
Yeah, yeah, or maybe go for roaming around here and that, like do the off work like that I don't do usually.
Ah, that's good. That's good. Yeah.
Otherwise, for me it's after some time it start getting everything because you're doing same repeated stuff every day. I feel so I kind of sometime get bored from it. So I make sure that Sunday I spend with
Yeah. Yeah.
things like that.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. But
All right.
yeah, okay. Yeah, let's start.
Okay. So, Musi-san, yesterday conversation again was great, and I got to know many more things about you through that conversation. And you have mentioned that in yesterday that you got introduced to WordPress in 2004 while you were building a business in Tokyo.
Yeah.
So, was it a business decision that introduced you to WordPress?
Business decision. Yeah, kind of business decision, but it's I was just starting a business, and that business actually local information service I started um was almost failing. Yeah, the project didn't work well, and so I needed to get income from other service. It was um, yeah, kind of agency business, building website for clients. So I um, not a business decision. I didn't decide anything. I had to do a website building business, and I found WordPress. at that time.
Okay. So WordPress was founded in 2003, I think, and it got introduced to
2002? 2002, I think.
2002.
WordPress, yeah.
And you got introduced to it in 2004. So
Hmm.
how was the hype of WordPress at that time? Because I was as little kid at that point. So how was the hype of WordPress in 2004, 3 in
Ah.
Japan?
In Japan, I was in Tokyo and I remember in 2005, in Tokyo, we had a small WordPress meetup.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was called study group
Mm-hmm.
for WordPress.
Okay.
Yeah, in Tokyo, I remember around 20 people gathered and discussed about WordPress
Mm-hmm.
and got had a small party.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's, yeah, in Tokyo, only that small group was existing.
Mm-hmm.
In other area in Japan,
Mm-hmm.
there was no such groups, no such WordPress uh, user groups
Ah, okay.
existing. So in 2005, in Japan,
Mm-hmm.
the WordPress community was in Japan was very small. In Fukuoka, there was
Okay.
no group.
Okay.
No one knows WordPress.
Okay. And I was wondering, like, if you got introduced to WordPress in 2004, there was a small
Mm.
community, you said.
Yeah.
Um like, was there no other CMS at that point in the
Ah,
world?
there are many other options,
Okay.
such like Drupal,
Drupal. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, Drupal and yeah, many other movable type,
Uh-huh.
and that was very popular. Uh, and yeah, many other CMS.
Oh, all right. So you chosen WordPress. Was it
Mm.
different than others at that point?
I felt WordPress was uh, very close to my need.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah, I
understand.
felt so.
Oh, that's great. All right. So then uh, in 2004, you mentioned that you introduced to WordPress. Was you working for Rock Lobster at that point,
No,
or?
no, no. Lobster wasn't existing
Oh,
that
okay.
at that time.
So you doing
Lobster was yeah,
you was doing
yeah,
freelancing or
uh,
work?
uh, yeah. Until 2005, I was working for uh Tokyo-based uh internet provider.
Oh, you mentioned it. Yeah.
Yeah, and in 2005, I quitted the job and started own business. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Okay, I now understand. So, like, if I understood correctly, then in 2004 you were kind
mm,
of doing studying WordPress as a side hustle
yeah,
or something.
yeah, preparing for new business.
Business. That's great.
Mm,
That's great. Okay, so now in 2007, you
mm,
built your plugin, Contact
yeah,
Form 7,
yes.
and at that point, was it built for a
Mm,
client website, or did you
yes.
find a gap in the market because the earlier plugin was not maintained?
Mm,
Was that?
they were maintained, but very little functionalities.
Ah, okay, okay.
Mm.
Okay, so you did it for a client website, that mean.
Yeah, what I did was expanding the existing
Mm-hmm.
plugins such as WordPress contact form and contact form 2.
Uh-huh.
It
Okay, okay.
was, yeah, the two plugins were popular at the time.
Okay, you combine them and create it differently.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So Musisa, then in 2012, you
Hmm.
wrote a post. You mentioned that contact form 7 will be free forever. A
Yeah, yeah.
public,
Yes.
promise that you made.
Hmm.
Uh, because you developed it in 2007 and
Hmm.
you made it free in 2012. So
Yeah.
was you considering in this period from 7 to 12, was you considering to make business out of it?
Business outfit.
Yeah.
W- what do you mean?
I mean, like, you created contact form in 2007,
Yes, yes.
and then in 2012, you made a public
Hmm.
declaration that
Yes.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
make contact form
Right.
free forever. So I'm
Yes.
just trying to understand that in between 2007 to
Hmm.
2012, in this period, was you
Hmm.
thinking about how can I make business out of it, or create add-ons or like that?
Hmm. I remember in 2012, there were some add-on plugins created for Contact Form 7. They were commercial ones,
Created by
uh,
you?
not by me,
Okay, okay.
many third-party plugins
Okay, okay.
out there. And yeah, I think Gravity Forms
Yeah, gravity form.
already exist.
Uh-huh.
And the trend of WordPress plugin uh, industry was, uh, yeah, selling plugins was a trend at the
Uh-huh.
time
Uh-huh.
in 2012. And yeah, I felt um, selling selling plugins, so commercial plugins
Uh-huh.
was not my not my mood.
Uh-huh.
Um, I don't, I didn't like to follow the trend. I felt that commercial commercial plugins was um, not good for WordPress community.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I
So
understood.
yeah. So I myself should keep the my plugins free. So I declared um, Contact Form 7 is free forever.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
All right. Okay, so, if I'm not wrong, then you have a philosophy about open source, and
Hmm.
out of, it was not a business decision or anything like that. Maybe with maturity, you understood that open source products should be open source and you should make it free, and that
Hmm.
declaration. All right. So, Musisa,
Yeah.
I run a
Yes.
business too.
Hmm. Yeah.
We call it buddy developers, friends like developer, buddy
Hmm.
developers. We call it friends like developer. And uh, our primary focus is on directory website, on community sites, and on e-commerce websites.
Yeah.
Okay. And slowly, because AI is evolving, even WordPress 7.0 is coming
Hmm.
up with AI. We
Yes.
are also including the AI automation services for our
Hmm.
client. You run an agency too, and you mentioned it yesterday that right now you are one man army, but you're gonna
Yeah.
hire a few people soon.
Hmm.
So I was wondering, like, what Rock Lobster do? What kind of services do you provide?
Rock Lobster is now focusing on uh, the new project and uh, the company. currently does not do agency business.
Okay.
We no longer work for clients to build their websites. Yeah,
Okay.
we quitted the business service 2 years ago. I we yeah, I decided uh, concentrate on new project.
Oh,
The new
okay.
project is contactable IO. Uh,
That's great.
yeah, so
Thank you so much for declaring it in this podcast. Contact bio is different than contact form. Is it not form?
it's a form related service, but not only WordPress plugin.
Mhm.
It is uh, uh,
Overall.
uh, yeah, not only about WordPress, but related to forms. Uh,
Ah, okay.
Difficult to explain, but yeah.
Okay, so in WordCamp Asia, you talked about word
Hmm.
contact form or form schema. Was it
Yes,
related to this newest
yes.
project? Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much, Yoshi-san. So yesterday you
Hmm.
mentioned that you added $5 in Claude, and maybe if I'm not wrong, then maybe you are checking the power of AI through it,
Yes.
and maybe testing it slowly, maybe on your own terms, like how you can use AI or how we can use
Hmm.
AI. Now WordPress 7.0 is
Yes.
bringing AI, as we
Hmm.
know that. Maybe the I think the date is has been declared for the launch. It's 20 May, I think, next month. So when AI become part of WordPress
Hmm.
core, do you think that word the contact from 7 need to think about it, or including any AI features or anything like that?
I don't think Contact Phone 7 will introduce direct connection with AI, but uh, yeah, WordPress 6.9 introduced Ability
API.
API.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm interested in it, and I I think the Ability API is helpful even if you don't use AI
Oh, okay.
directly.
Mhm.
I in my mind it is API that makes existing WordPress plugins uh, let the WordPress plugins declare its ability.
Mhm.
So it is not only for AI. It is useful for human users. I think so, but yeah, I might be wrong, but
Mhm.
I felt the Ability API is uh, for every WordPress site, WordPress plugins.
Mhm.
So I I may introduce Ability API's functionality, uh, introducing importing the API features into Contact Form 7.
Ah,
It
okay.
will be possible.
Okay, so if I'm not wrong, then based on my knowledge, so far what I have read over the WordPress blogs,
Mhm.
is that if you make contact from 7 ability with ability API integration, that
Yeah,
means
yeah.
almost you have done the AI integration, because after all,
Mm.
AI interact to WordPress through Abilities API, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, I think so. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, Musi-san,
Hmm.
after this WordCamp Asia, I was
Yes.
checking the social media,
Hmm.
and on Twitter or somewhere I read, maybe it's the point of marketing for all the forms because everyone was quoting that thing.
Hmm.
You marked contact form 7 as feature freeze,
Yes, yes.
and every other forms out there in WordPress, they were like quoting, okay, contact form 7 release a feature freeze, announced a feature freeze, you can use this form, you can use our form, like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, I know, I know.
So what does it mean by feature freeze, for our viewers, if you want to explain?
Um, I just added the feature phrase news
Hmm.
into my presentation as just um yeah I added it in one more thing section
Uh-huh.
in my presentation, and that was not my main topic,
Yeah.
right? So um, feature freeze, it means uh, like uh, feature freeze means not a big thing. It just we will no longer add big functionality into contact form 7.
Uh-huh.
I continue maintaining contact form 7. I continue bug fixes, security improvement.
Uh-huh.
So contact form 7 will contact form 7 is still growing. The project itself doesn't stop,
Uh-huh.
continue expanding. But we no longer add big feature set into contact form 7, such as um, many people asking me adding block editor compatibility.
Uh-huh.
But we won't do it. Contact form 7 won't get the ability to get contact form 7 stays with uh, non-block editor. I mean, yeah, current uh, yeah HTML editor.
Uh-huh. All right. So I was checking your website
Hmm.
here, and you mentioned this post somewhere.
Hmm.
What was that? Yearly one release once, only
Oh,
once a year. Is it
yeah.
still continued?
Yeah. This this works uh, in new versions, but uh, we won't have contact form 7 6.3.
Uh-huh.
Contact form 7 6.3 won't be released, won't be created. So contact form 7 6.2 will be released soon, maybe next month,
Uh-huh.
I guess. Uh, at the time 6.2 is released, this policy will be applied, and so the current WordPress is 6 point, not yet. So next month, WordPress 7.0 will be released, right?
Uh-huh.
So if Contact Form 7 6.2 will be released after that, Contact Form 7 6.2 will support only WordPress 7.0.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. And I was reading this post too. Kinsta hosting you recommended. So do you want to say more about Kinsta? Like, do they sponsor you for contributing to open source? Like you put your
Yeah,
contribution in WordPress space that I see.
yeah. I want to say Kinsta is very good hosting company, hosting service. Uh, so I recommend it to my friends,
Uh-huh.
especially in Japan, Japanese friends, because in Japan, we have many local hosting company, but uh, we don't have a WordPress dedicated hosting company in
Uh-huh.
Japan.
Okay.
Yeah, WordPress hosting is very helpful. Uh, it is completely different from a traditional hosting, PHP hosting company.
Right.
Yeah,
So
so mm,
mm,
uh,
Kinsta is Japanese company?
no. Kinsta is an American company, US
All,
company.
all right. Okay. I
But
even
yeah,
mm,
yeah, please.
sorry to interrupt you. Actually, I was saying because I also work with clients, so I many of my client, they choose on Kinsta.
Hmm.
One of the reason is because of their support that they
Hmm.
provide to the clients, and I recommend Kinsta too to my
Hmm.
all the clients. Okay, so Miyoshi-san, now uh, this podcast that we are doing here, I'm sure many of WordPress community member from all over the world will watch it and will see your thoughts about WordPress and different things. um, I was wondering, like, if just in case
Hmm.
tomorrow, if someone from the WordPress community team or community members out there in the
Hmm.
world, they reach out to you and says that they want to partner with you for the better future of Contact Form 7, or help you with building the future of Contact Form 7. I consider like our products, we developer, our product are like our babies, our kids. So
Hmm.
Contact Form 7 is like your kids, because from the 19 year you developing it, you maintaining
Yeah.
it. So will you be open for offer like this if somebody wants to reach out to you? And if
Hmm.
A is it, then how can someone contact you for that?
Uh, yeah. Uh, I I did maintain contact from seven by almost uh, only me. I did maintain maintenance, and um, for as for contact from seven, we actually don't need help from other developers. Yeah, I can continue maintaining maintenance. uh, I want other developers. I want developers look at my new project, contactable IO project. Yeah,
Contact Braille.
yeah. I'm I focus on the new one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, contact form 7 is, yes, it is important for me. It's kind of child of my child of me.
Mm-hmm.
But I want people look at the future. Contact form 7 is the past.
Past. Okay.
And so we we are moving on to the new project, and we want many people get interested in new project.
Mm-hmm.
So if you feel you want to help or support Contact Form 7, I want I want to ask you looking at the new project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But I asked this question because many agency owner out there, many WordPress agency
Mm.
owner, or who put their mind in making money out of things, you know.
Mm.
You have a philosophy about open source, but there are quite a lot people out there in WordPress community.
Yeah.
They think of making businesses, and if we
Mm.
see 10 million active installation of Contact Form 7,
Mm.
and if it can be improved in other way, in commercial way, I can say, if it can
Mm.
be improved in commercial way,
Yeah.
it can, it have a broad coverage, isn't it? 10 millions is very large count.
Yes.
So just in case if any business person, because you are feature freeze, you're doing feature freeze, you said that earlier, you said, mentioned that you're gonna
Yeah.
only maintain it but not gonna add new features, many
Mm.
more features. But let's suppose any commercial brain mind come to you and they says, Musisa,
Mm.
let's collaborate on this. You don't have to do
Mm.
anything, I will
Yeah,
do
it's
it, I will
possible.
maintain
Mm.
it. So are
Mm.
you open for this kind of offers, because now you into another
Mm.
project? So what do you
Yeah.
think?
Yeah. Honestly, I'm not open.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
Mm.
All
Yeah.
right. So, Musi-san, do you want to say more about your new project, Contact Bra? Can what you said?
Mm.
What do you call Contact
Contactable.
Brio?
Oh, yeah. That
So,
is the project name.
what does it mean? Contact Brio means?
Meaning,
Is it a Japanese
it's
word?
no, no, no.
Okay. Okay.
Contactable. So it's just the code name for the project.
Okay.
It doesn't have much
Meaning.
meaning.
Okay. Can people follow it anywhere over the internet?
Hmm. Um, it is the new project is still in conceptual
Okay.
stage,
Okay.
so we don't have much information about that. But uh, I mean, hurry for preparing information. Uh, so you can, yeah, I'm working hard for you to try the service.
Mhm.
So yeah, please wait for that.
All right. Okay. So maybe possible because I think this interview is gonna be the longest interview of Miyoshi-san over the internet.
Yeah.
I also thank you so much for giving me the time
Yeah,
for it.
thank you too.
And just in case, tomorrow if somebody wants to search more about your new project, contact Brio,
Mm.
then you can pass me the link whenever you create a project or website or anything. I will add it in this podcast.
Mm, the website for Contactable IO project isn't prepared now. Isn't not ready now.
Mhm.
So
When,
uh,
when it get
yeah.
ready, you can. I'm saying when it get ready, you can send me, and I will add it in
Yeah.
this podcast
Yeah,
description
I'll do so.
for the
Yeah.
viewers.
Thank you.
Yeah, one more thing about your open source philosophy,
Mm.
and this question kind of hit me because I'm also AI learner, like AI thing. I'm also learning like how can we use AI in our daily life? What are the
Mm.
applications of AI? What kind of services I can offer to the clients in terms of AI?
Mm.
I'm kind of learning these things, to be honest.
Yeah.
So you mentioned about your open source philosophy yesterday, and then I was, after the call, I was just thinking about it and relating it with AI.
Mm.
You know, so you mentioned that you kept Contact Form 7 free because you believe that free code built the next generation for the developers.
Yes.
It
Yes.
is built
Yes.
for the next generation. um, People who learn by reading source code, they
Mm.
can, it can be helpful for them. Even
Yes.
if I talk about yourself, then you also learn the code of other open source project, and then it
Mm.
help you to build the Contact Form 7.
Mm.
But Musi-san, nowadays, when AI is coming into picture,
Mm.
my last podcast episode one was shown a clear picture of how people are using AI nowadays, how developer are using, how WordPress agency owner are thinking about adopting AI. So I was wondering, like, what will be the future of open source if nobody wants to
Mm.
read the code? Because
Mm.
now every other developer, they go to Claude code, they mention their requirement, they just in a
Mm.
Claude code create a plugin for them. They don't need to read it anywhere. Even
Mm.
Claude does not need to read any open source project. So wondering, like, what will be the future of open source if in this case?
Wow. Very difficult to answer. I don't have a clear answer to that question. Yeah, I think nobody has an answer to the question now. Uh, but um, there are some core area in the software development. Uh,
Mhm.
People want, humans uh, won't let AI to write every single code. There must be core core software,
Mhm.
and core software is managed by, controlled by humans. It will be continued in future. So as for open source, uh, yes, AI agent will be engaging in software development,
Mhm.
but human developers won't will not die.
Right.
So it's kind of a craftsmanship. Craftsmanship. I mean, uh, there must be some area in software development that AI can't AI can't handle. There must be some development area humans must be engaged in. So I don't know what the open source in like 2030s, but for now, I myself believe that I'm doing software development, writing code by my hands in 2030s, 2040s. I will be, I still be uh, open source developer.
Okay. So do you think people will you that means you think that people will still respect open source the way they are respecting, right? All right.
Yeah, that's my hope.
Yeah, yeah, we can hope. Yeah, it's you are absolutely right in this, because I also think no one knows the future of AI,
Mm,
because
yeah.
things are totally changing,
Mm,
and people are just wondering, even still people are wondering how they can use AI, what are the
mm,
applications, kind of. So um, if I talk about myself, I have explained it multiple time in this interview that Contact Form 7 was the first plugin that I've consciously installed in WordPress and used it. So um, so do many developers in the WordPress world. They have it the same way, and I have seen it in WordCamp Asia, how many WordPress developer was reaching to you and saying that Contact Form 7 was the plugin that they have used in every website, isn't it? So for you, maintaining
mm,
Contact Form 7 for 19 years
mm.
single-handedly as a one
Yes.
person, it was never been an easy task, isn't it? So now I want to ask you, like, tell me the honestly, like honesty, with honesty, don't be modest in this answer, in this
Yeah.
question answer.
Mm,
In these 19 years, is there any wish you had done differently for Contact Form 7? Something, maybe some feature you wanted to add but you never did, or
oh,
maybe something you built earlier and then you think, no, you could do it better, but like that. So I should have done it differently, or like that. So is there anything you have, a kind of regret, or maybe a kind of thing,
mm. Yeah. Yeah, there are many things. Um, First, Contact Form 7, like many other Contact Form plugins, it sends email
Mm-hmm.
after user submission, right? Sent to uh, form owner or
Yeah.
form submitter. Yeah, sending an email. I I think the biggest mistake
Mm-hmm.
was that feature, email.
Oh, why you think that?
I think email is the yeah um, for privacy reasons.
Mm.
Sending email is uh, very uh, quite a big risk for users, for form managers. we should we should store uh, form data into directly into database.
Mm-hmm.
And we should manage form data in the database, only in the database. We should not send the data to someone by email.
Emails. Okay.
Email is not good, I believe.
Ah. Okay.
So,
Yeah. Okay. So this is the reason you built Flamingo plugin
mm,
after that.
yeah, yeah.
Ah,
Flamingo is a plugin storing form data into database. So,
okay.
yeah, I want to recommend users to use Flamingo
Mm-hmm.
and disable email sending feature in Contact Form 7.
That's great. But Miyoshi Sa, I was wondering like if we stop email sharing feature or email sending feature of contact
Mm.
form 7, um, yeah, I think it could work. It could work because after all, the data will be in admin side, and
Mm.
the user who is submitting those forms, he already got those notification or success message there that the message has been sent already.
Mm.
Yeah, you are right. Okay, it could be. It could be a option. So, do you think this is the feature that you would have done way earlier when you created Contact Form 7?
It will be difficult. Many people many people say email sending feature is necessary.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be difficult to um, so tell them um, email sending email is a risk for you. Yeah, yeah. So I don't think was it would be possible to remove delete the email sending function from contact form 7. But if I start new contact form plugin,
Mm-hmm.
I never I never include email sending feature into it.
Ah.
Email is not good.
So, okay. So, probably we can, if some open source developer or a
Mm.
open source contributor wanted
Mm.
to add a option in Contact Form 7 to disable the emails, then
Mm.
they can.
Actually, you can disable email sending feature
Mm-hmm.
with the default the uh, only contact phone 7.
7, yeah.
Yeah, contact phone 7 has option to disable it.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
All right. So, the last question, I think, of our
Okay,
chat.
okay.
you know, you have been to WordPress community for maybe more
Mm.
than 20 year or around
Yeah.
20 years something.
Mm.
So you are quite senior guy in WordPress community. And you
I
were
was young. I
yeah,
was young.
yeah, you was young, but now 20 year is
Yeah,
not
yeah,
very
okay.
easy,
Yeah,
you
I
know.
know, I know.
So um, and since you are senior, your voice matters in the community. So I
Mm.
want to say, like, I want to ask you, like, do you want to say anything to the WordPress world at this point?
As a senior member of
Yeah,
community.
yeah, anything, maybe, as a senior person, anything that is in your
Mm.
mind about what it is going on right now in WordPress, what worries
Mm.
you, what excites you. The floor
Mm.
is yours.
Yeah, many things. But I want WordPress users, WordPress community members, recall that WordPress as a open source software,
Mhm.
free software. You have freedom on using it, studying from the source code. Uh, Everything is free. Um, that is amazing. That is some kind of a special thing for users, and WordPress is, I think WordPress is a miracle.
Mhm.
You don't have any other example of such miracle. Uh, WordPress now managing 40% of entire website market share, right?
Right.
That is created by community, open source community. That is great thing. I think many people forget the fact you are using uh, you're using very great software. Uh, you're not conscious. You're not conscious to use such great software. But actually, WordPress is miracle. So, as WordPress community member, uh, I want many people uh, rethink about it. Uh, how how WordPress is making many people's life. Um, I am the very example of such. Yeah, I my life got having changed by WordPress. If WordPress didn't exist, I myself wouldn't exist like this. How to say? Yeah, I want to say, yeah. Sometimes remember that WordPress exists in front of you. That is amazing thing. So let's keep it open source and free. We can, I think we can do it forever. That's it.
Thank you, Miyoshi-san. Oshigashi tokoro arigatou gozaimasu
ありがとう
for
ございます。
thank you so much for giving me time. And I have said it couple of time in this entire call that your product that you have created and you made it open source,
うん。
it given a great value for me as a learner. I look up to you as an ideal in WordPress world. And I hope although we have a 2 day conversation, I hope this is not the last time we talk. Not just as a host or guest, but just as a two people who think about WordPress,
う
who
ん。
think of building things that last for longer, like your plugin have grown in this 19 years. So if you ever wanted to share something, or maybe you write something, or just in case you need an assistant, I'm there for you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。